So what did I get done today? I had big plans this morning. I woke up, made coffee, kids woke up, they had to have breakfast. Had to clean the dishes because I was there. Got their breakfast. I had to get dressed. So I put laundry in. Then for some reason, I felt like the floors needed cleaned. Vacuumed. By the time I got all that done, I even dusted because the TV was dirty. By the time that was done, it was lunchtime. Then the kids wanted lunch, so I had to do that. So I made lunch. Finally ready to come out and get something done. Buddy asked if I can do a side job. So I gotta do a side job quick. That took about an hour. It's hard to be productive, especially when you got so much going on. It's crazy. So what did I get done today? I didn't film it, but I got some of the interior pieces for the Silverado cleaned up. Last night, I got a little exhaust welded up for the Silverado. Now it's... what time is it? Almost 9 o'clock. I undercoated the frame of the S10. Got that done. I guess tomorrow's another day. Still can't go nowhere. So, see what I get done then. Yeah. I got something done today. 5% of something is better than 0% of nothing. So get out there. Do something. Until then, I guess I'm out till tomorrow. See you then.